Hey, I just wanted to show you where I created the remote control ad for the toe shoe. Of course, this here is what it looks like when I got it in my notepad. So I come out my notepad here, go on Instagram where you see it displayed in my mailbox here. Let me go out of the message box real quick. Go out of the message box. This is my YouTube channel. I mean my Instagram channel. I go into the mailbox here, and you see I got an ad. Now right in the middle is where I've got it, so I'm just going to show you right here. 55 Mulberry right there. You touch that. It says Women's Peeps. I should have showed you that, but it's okay. I'm just going to go right on to it. There we have a pair of the women's toe shoes. And then if you touch on the home page, you know, you can shop the whole store there for you type it in, browse, and you can type in peep toe shoes, women's, or just peep toe shoes, but I should put in there, peep toe shoes. And if you go into it this way, I should hit search. You get more pairs of shoes, all different kinds of pairs. These are $17.55 for those. And like I said, those are peep toe Harper ankle boots. You hit back. And you got some other kinds right here. These right here. Genuine leather rhinestone daily peep toe slipper for $43.99. Hit back. And you got a leopard pattern shoe here, peep toe. These are all in my 55 Mulberry store, and you got some peep toe socks actually right here. Look here. They're 3 pair of non-slip yoga ballet peep toe socks, multicolors you can get. So anyway, there's quite a bit of stuff you can look at here. I'm going to hit back and go into my remote control, and this remote control right here is,
if you need a new website for your business,
it's television, of course.
Skip this video. Millions of businesses.
Right now I'm skipping that video, but if I turn my steering wheel, alright, so you see it goes into that. If I hit back twice, it goes back into my remote control. And I want to show you that I am also singing that song and rapping. Well, that's actually my class that I gave right there, showing that just showing how that you got great deals of trade zone right there between your eyes and your head there. That's what that was. Let me go back and go up here. That's where I'm singing it at. Okay, so right here.
Under the moonlight, you hear a sound that almost touches your heart. Drop it like it's hot, is what I'm talking about. Coming from heaven, goddamn, is what I'm talking about. Bam. I'm at the bar, under the moonlight.
Alright, so that's me, my version of that song. But down here is some hashtag remotes that takes you into, like love, takes you into 1.6 billion people. That's in virtual community right here. I'm just showing you a couple of people right quick. A couple of different things. People taking pictures, expressing themselves on Instagram. This is all within hashtag love, you know. People taking pictures and videos. Alright, well, I hit something at the bottom there, went into that, but get back out of that. Hit back again. Go down here and see if I can find another little quick video real quick. Where somebody shot a video. Most of these are just pictures. There's 1.5 billion, 1.6 billion pictures and videos down through here. Anyway, so I think you got the idea what I'm talking about. Like I said, I'm just showing you this remote that I built here, and at the top of it says hashtag love, 5 stars for Jesus, Lord touch. Love keeps the trigger finger happy. Celebrate instead of hate. Then I repeated it again. But if you touch up here, it still takes you. Wow, I missed it. I'm trying to look through the camera. I gotta do it without looking through the camera. It still takes you to YouTube.
Don't think you need a website?
Takes you to the other world. YouTube. Took you from Instagram to YouTube in one touch of a button there.
Американская фирма Transceptor Technology приступила к производству.
Alright, that's it. Pretty much. And then I got my other stores on here too, as you can see. This one here. That one there ain't even right. It hasn't even, it's got a broken link in it. I'm glad I looked at that. I'm gonna fix that. Copy the text. Post it down here. I didn't know it had a broken link in it. So all I gotta do basically is go down here to where it was and go here and hit back one time. I think. I'm actually gonna have to go ahead and fix that. Okay, I will fix that. Anyway, I gotta do a little work to fix that.